Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 2500 watt portable inverter generator is designed to provide clean and stable power in a lightweight and compact form factor. This generator is particularly well suited for outdoor activities, emergency backup, or even as a reliable power source for job sites. Its design prioritizes portability, making it a practical choice for those who need power on the go. One of the standout features of this inverter generator is its ability to produce clean energy. The generator operates with low total harmonic distortion, which is crucial when powering sensitive electronics, such as laptops, smartphones, and other devices. This clean power output is a significant advantage for users who prioritize the safety and longevity of their equipment. In terms of operation, the Generac inverter generator is notably quiet. Operating at a noise level significantly lower than traditional generators, it produces sound levels comparable to that of a normal conversation. This characteristic is particularly beneficial for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor gathering, where a quiet environment can enhance the experience. Weighing in at around 46 pounds, this generator is designed for easy transportation. It features a compact design that allows for easy storage in a vehicle or a small space. The integrated handle provides a secure grip, making it straightforward to carry, whether from your garage to your backyard or on a road trip to a campsite. The generator offers a variety of outlets, including USB ports, which enhance its versatility. This allows users to connect multiple devices simultaneously, catering to various power needs. Additionally, the user-friendly control panel is intuitive, featuring clear indicators for fuel level and power output, making it accessible even for those who may not be familiar with generator operation. In summary, the Generac 2500 watt portable inverter generator presents an appealing option for individuals seeking a reliable, quiet, and portable power source. Its clean power output, lightweight design, and array of outlets cater to a diverse range of applications, from outdoor adventures to emergency situations. Overall, this generator combines practicality with effectiveness, making it a noteworthy choice for those in need of portable energy solutions.